Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the new Nvidia app on your PC or laptop in the simplest way possible. This app replaces GeForce experience and Nvidia control panel feature all in one place. Let's get started. First, click on the start menu and search for Nvidia app. Once it's open, you will see a clean dashboard with your GPU information, drive, games and settings. On the left menu, click drive. Here you can check for updates, download the latest game ready or audio drive, view installation history. Always keep drive up to date for the best gaming and performance. Next, go to the games and app. The Nvidia app automatically detects your installed game. Click any game, you will see recommended setting like resolution, graphic quality, DLSS option, ray tracking setting. Click optimize to automatically apply Nvidia best settings for your laptop hardware. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.